In this video, we are going to learn how you can create membership plans for your MasterStudy LMS site. And for this tutorial, we will be using the demo site of MasterStudy LMS available in the official website. So here is the website. You can see that there are already some courses added. If we go to the courses page, we can see the courses are already added. Since this is a demo site, the courses are added. There are subscription plans and also membership plans. We can also see there's a memberships page over here. If we click on it, we can see the page, but the memberships are not available right now because we have the subscription add-on disabled. This is because I want to show you how you can create your membership plans from scratch. Okay, so we are going to go to the dashboard. And before going further with this tutorial, it's important to mention that in order to create membership plans or subscription plans, you need the pro version or the paid version of MasterStudy LMS. We'll be using the subscription add-on, which is only available in the paid version of MasterStudy LMS. Now, when you open up the MasterStudy options over here, you can see the pro add-ons over here. If you click on it, it's going to open up the add-on section, and there are very useful add-ons over here, as you can see, such as the certificate builder, subscriptions, email manager, email branding, AI lab, grades, etc. Now we are going to enable this subscription add-on like so. And after it's enabled, you can refresh your page or click on any other options so that all these options will reload. And it's going to load up these two sections, the subscriptions and membership plans. Now we're going to click on e-commerce option over here and click on subscriptions. Here we can see there are two options. The first one is allow instructors to create course subscriptions. So if you have this enabled, your course instructors will be able to create subscription plans for your courses. If you want to manage memberships, you can click on manage memberships button over here. This will take you to this membership plans option over here. So you can either click over here or on this button to go to the membership section. We're going to click on this button. And this is the membership plans. Now you can see these three plans are already added as this is a demo site, but we are going to actually delete all of these and create our own membership plans. So we're going to remove this just by clicking on this delete button. Great. Now we are going to add our own membership plans. To do that, we're going to click on add new plan button over here. And there are a few options that we have to go through. So first we have to add in a course title, short description, and also choose a membership access type. So let's go ahead and add these two first. We are going to call this plan Bronze, and we also added a short description over here. We can also see how the plan will look like over here. Okay, so in the membership access type, we can choose what type of membership we want to provide. We can either provide a site-wide membership or category-based. So I'm going to choose the category-based membership. And once I do, it's going to also give me the chance to choose which categories will this plan include. So after clicking on over here, we can see all our course categories. If you don't see any categories over here, you have to first create course categories. Okay, so let's go ahead and choose our categories. Now we can choose a pricing. We can choose the price, billing interval, we can choose months, years, weeks, or days. We can choose billing cycles, and if we choose limited, we can choose the number of cycles from here, or we can choose until canceled. We can also offer a sale price if we're offering a discount, and also schedule that sale price from here. So let's go ahead and fill all these up. All right, we added the price. Now, if we scroll down, we can also add plan features. So if you add plan features, these will appear over here. Let's go ahead and add some plan features so you can see how it looks like. Now, after you write in your feature, you can simply click on add, and it will be added over here. And this way you can add as many as you want. So we're going to add a couple more. Okay, you can also drag and drop these around to change their orders. Okay, so after that, we are going to scroll down, and here we can add in additional details such as trial periods. We can also mark it as featured. Also, if we want to provide certificate or not. So if we enable this, certificates will not be provided for this particular memberships. Since this is the bronze plan that we are creating, let's actually enable the do not provide certificates. So certificates will not be available in this membership plan. We're going to click on this create button and our plan will be created. Now, if we head back over here, we can see that the plan has been created over here. Now, in the same way, we are going to create another plan. Now, this time, let's call it silver plan. And we are going to add in a short description, and let's add category based. And let's choose some of these categories. All right, we chose our categories. Now also let's choose the pricing. We added $70.90. We are going to choose some billing intervals for this one. We chose 6 billing intervals and we have chosen years. Okay, we added the billing intervals, and for billing cycles, we can make it until canceled. And we can also offer a sale price let's say this will be $50.90. And we can also schedule this sale price if we want. Okay, so if you enable this, it will be displayed over here. Sale available from this time to this time. Okay, but we're actually going to keep it disabled. And we can also add in plan features. And next in the additional tab, we are going to add a 3 days trial period for this one. And also we can mark it as featured if it's necessary, but let's actually not do this for this plan. We're going to do it for the next plan. And this time we're not going to enable this button because we want to provide certificates. So we're going to click on this create button and wait for this plan to be created. Great. Now we're going to go back and create the final plan, which is the gold plan. So let's call it gold. Let's write in the short description. And this time let's choose a site-wide membership. And now let's add the price. Great. And we can also offer a sale price for this one. And we can also add in plan features. Great. Now if we scroll down, let's also add a trial period for this one. We can also mark it as featured. And now let's create this plan. Great. So all our plans are created. We can see these over here. Now, before you go on ahead and check your membership page, you have to ensure that you have the membership page created or selected. To do that, we're going to go to the settings section, and from here, we're going to choose the LMS pages. And from here, you will see all your LMS pages, such as user account, instructor profile page, student public profile, wish list, etc. We can see there's a membership page over here as well. You can choose your memberships page just from here. Now, in case these pages are not available, you can generate it with one click. Right now, since we're using the demo access of this website, we are not seeing that. But if you have MasterStudy LMS installed on your WordPress website, you are going to see there's an option to generate these pages with just one click. All right, so after you're done, you can save the settings and then go back to your WordPress admin dashboard. Then we can go back to our site, click on memberships over here, and we can see our memberships created. Great. So that is how you can create your membership plans. Now, once your students pick a plan, they can click on Get Started, go to Cart, and then they can choose a payment method and check out. Now, another thing I wanted to show you is how you can exclude a course from a membership plan. To do that, simply go to the courses section, and here you will find all your courses. Simply hover your mouse over the course and select Edit with Course Builder. Now this will open up the Course Builder, and from there you should go to the Pricing tab, and over here you're going to see an option called Not Included in Membership. So if you don't want to include this course in a membership plan, although this course is a part of the membership plan that you have created, you can simply enable this option and it won't be included in the membership plan. Then click on this Save button and this course won't be included in the membership plan. In order to create membership plans or subscription plans, you need the pro version or the paid version of MasterStudy LMS. Now let's talk about MasterStudy LMS plans. Now there are annual and lifetime plans available. Of course, there's a free version of MasterStudy which you can start with, but once you decide to scale up your LMS website, you can choose a paid plan. The paid plan starts with the single site package, which is $149 per year. This gives you one site license and access to all the pro add-ons of the plugin. The next plan is the 10 sites, which is normally available for $299 per year. This gives you 10 site licenses, and the unlimited package is available for $599 per year. This gives you unlimited licenses. We're also seeing a discount over here. Now the single site license is $99, 10 site license is $199, and the unlimited site license is $399. These are the discount prices that are available. If we take a look at the lifetime plans, these are just one-time payments. You can get any plan which suits your needs. So that brings us to the end of today's video. We hope that it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.